Hello all my dear friends, I think you all are safe. First of all, you are most welcome to my channel. I am Prasad. In this video I am gonna draw the outline of this drawing. So without wasting any time, let's start it. That's my first ever tutorial on voiceover. If I have made any mistake, please let me know. If you don't have mechanical pencil, then you can use any HB pencil. I used Steadtler 0.5mm mechanical pencil, and of course I will give the link in the description. You can buy it online, and also I will give the link of original pic of this drawing. Basically I do freehand outline drawing, so in this drawing I have also outlined freehand. I would like to thank Unrulled for asking for this video in tutorial. You all can suggest me in which topic should I draw. If you want outline in grid method, then comment. I will do it in another drawing video. Now please follow my hand. If you are thinking that if it's my first voiceover, then how am I speaking confidently? Okay, wait. Did you hear it? Yeah, it is my current heartbeat. It's not 72, maybe it's beating 7200 times per minute. I'm not kidnapped. I'm on my bed. Then why? I don't know. Please comment. Oh, sorry. What is the music? Only this tutorial drawing will be in English. Next, all tutorial drawing will be in Hindi. Thank you so much for being with me in the end. Next part will be coming very soon. Tab tak ke liye, bye bye. You are practicing very well, my dear friend.